Hey you guys, what's up? I am so excited for today's because it is the day I am leaving for California. Packed up, I am ready to leave. I'm actually shooting on my GoPro right now, so if the quality is kind of crappy or bad, it's because my camera is packed up. I'm going to be switching from a point and shoot, a DSLR, and my GoPro and my cell phone. So I'm going to make the most out of this trip. Probably going to be exhausted, but I just wanted to make a video over my trip and just kind of like take y'all with me. My car is all packed. It's time to hit the road. Hey you guys, so I am at Nancy's place. I'm staying with her before we hit the road for California. She's the one that's moving out to California, and when I get here, whew, my anxiety has been out the roof because Nancy is the opposite of me. I like to be planned out and everything scheduled and on a roll, and I come here and like she's still packing up her house and we're leaving at 5 in the morning. She went out to go grab a bite to eat with her friends, and I stayed back to try to like organize and sort things out and kind of pack up, but I'm afraid to pack because I don't know what they need. I'm stressed out. I love Nancy. She just stresses me out. So I finished up, I think, the desk and the spare room that they asked me to do, and I had nothing else to do. So I guess I'm going to try to help pack up. I thought this was a sharps container because we both are nursing majors or both work at hospitals. Like, did you bring a freaking sharps container home? But no, I think it's for her dog. Yeah. Her dog is so spoiled. This is all of her dog supplies. This whole thing is dog toys. Nancy's from Africa, and this is pretty cool. I don't know what that is. I think it's a drum. Things I do at her house when she's not home. We found a ring, and we don't know if Andrew's gonna propose to Nancy. I was cleaning out their desk, and the ring was in the dresser, and we don't know if what's going on with it, but it's an engagement ring. Room 240 would never be the same without Nancy. She's leaving. We're gonna miss you. Yeah. We have the trailer almost packed. It's almost midnight and we leave at 5 in the morning, so we're cutting it close. We got the trailer over here packed on up. We have all of this to go, and we have more in the house. We have to go all the way up there to get all the stuff down, and it's gonna suck when we have to bring the big gigantic mattress that they're taking, and it's huge. Bye. Bye. She's going to work, y'all, and I'm going back to help packing, and we're gonna be hitting the road soon. So we have pretty much packed up this entire apartment, and it's 12:19 and we're waking up at 5 in the morning to hit the road. Alrighty guys, so I guess I'm going to end the video here, and get ready to hit the sack to wake up and drive all day. So see you next time.